If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter message that says an error occurred when logging in, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is one of those login problems that can happen for a few different reasons, including a bad browser cache, conflicting extensions, cookie settings, VPNs, or even a temporary outage on X itself. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest test is to open X in an incognito or private window. This helps you figure out whether the issue is being caused by your saved browser data or an extension that is interfering with the login process. On Chrome or Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. If you're using Firefox, open a new private window instead. Once that window opens, go to x.com and try logging in again. If it works in private mode, that's a strong sign that your normal browser session has something stored that is causing the error. If the problem is still happening, the next thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache and cookies are one of the most common reasons X throws a login error. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Set the time range to all time, then make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data and restart your browser completely. If you're using Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete there as well. Choose the option to clear everything and remove both cookies and cache. Then open X again and try signing in one more time. Now let's check for browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some password managers can interfere with how X loads the login page. To test this, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right of your browser and open Manage Extensions. Then disable any extensions that might be affecting the site, especially ad blockers or privacy-focused tools. After disabling them, refresh X and try logging in again. If you're using a VPN, turn that off too. Often flags VPN traffic, and that can trigger login problems or security checks that fail before the page finishes loading. Next, take a look at your cookie settings. X needs your browser to accept cookies properly in order to maintain a login session. If your browser is blocking third-party cookies too aggressively, that can break the login process. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-party cookies. Make sure you are not blocking all cookies, at least for testing purposes. You can temporarily allow third-party cookies and then try to log in again. If that fixes the issue, you can narrow down your cookie settings later and create an exception for X if needed. If none of that works, the next fix is to reset your password. This is especially useful if the issue is only happening with your specific account and not in other browsers or devices. On the X login screen, click Forgot Password, then enter your email, phone number, or username, and follow the reset instructions sent to your inbox. Resetting your password can force X to close old sessions and generate a fresh login token, which sometimes clears up stubborn authentication errors. And finally, don't forget to check whether the issue is actually on X's side. Sometimes the platform has an outage, account limit, or backend problem that affects a lot of users at once. If nothing on your device seems to be fixing it, search for X on a service like DownDetector and look at the reports graph. If you see a spike in complaints or widespread login issues, then the problem is probably temporary and you may just need to wait it out. You should also keep in mind that if you've hit account activity limits, X may stop certain actions until the restriction clears. So to recap, try incognito mode first, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions and VPNs, adjust your cookie settings, reset your password if needed, and then check for outages or account limits. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the error occurred problem on X or Twitter login. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and it lets me know to make more fix-it tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.